the summer. I'm Ellen Clark. L is for Latrice, N is for Nicole Clark. Some of my friends call me Nicole, some call me Latrice, some call me Lynn. You may call me whatever makes you feel the most comfortable. I'm super excited to embark on this summer cooking series with you. We'll talk about the important role nutrition plays in supporting our overall health. I'm a huge advocate in the farm to table movement, and I put my money where my mouth is, and that I volunteer at the local eco farm here in my town of San Juan Capistrano. Soon you'll get a peek at my wellness lecture, Living Better at the Farmer's Market. In keeping with the theme of how community meals support overall wellness, I have a wonderful summer plan for us, where I invite you into my kitchen as I prepare meals for my family. I have some delicious recipes selected and on the way. Everything is responsibly sourced. Some of the recipes are new, some of them I've cooked before, but more importantly, we'll cook and share our meals together. I can't wait to have you come and cook with me. See you soon.